Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm a scribble artist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your glass pen. All you're going to need for this is your dirty glass pen covered in ink. The ink can be dried and caked on, or it can be wet and in the bottle just like it is here. You'll also want a small jar of glass cleaner. You'll need it deep enough that you can submerge the inky part of the pen, and that's it. Once you have that in front of you, we're ready to get started. Sometimes you'll want to clean off your pen in the middle of your drawing, and sometimes you'll want to wait till the end and get the whole thing nice and clean. There's two different methods, and I'm going to show you them both. You're going to want to take your glass pen and submerge it fully in the glass cleaner. Now, if you're actively working on your drawing, you can just swish it around a little bit and pull it out. You can see that it's mostly clean. You can rinse it under some water and you're good to go back drawing. But if your pen is completely covered in ink, you can see I have some ink kind of up on the top here. Just let it sit in your glass cleaner for about 15 minutes and it will be completely clean and you'll be ready to start fresh with your next piece. Again, make sure you run it under cold water and dry it off before you start using it again. And that's how you clean your glass pen. Super simple. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.